Are you having issues getting your classic vehicle to start? Maybe you've changed out your cap and rotor on your distributor, but you're still having issues. This is the video for you. Hey YouTubers, I'm Jacob, and this is a how-to video for changing out the ignition box in my 79 Bronco with a Ford 400 V8 engine. I've included links to all these products and tools I'm using today in the description below. Make sure to click on those and check them out. All right, let's get into it. Typically on these 70s Broncos and Ford trucks, the ignition box is located on the driver's side over here. But since I've rewired my Bronco, I ended up moving it to the passenger side. That way I could shorten my wiring runs and simplify all my electrical on the passenger side. I've relocated my ignition box over here on the passenger side, and I have changed out the plugs to some weather pack plugs. So that's something that I will need to swap out as well. If you've got a stock ignition box, then it should be as easy as just unscrewing this and plugging it in. So these are just some extra steps I'm gonna have to take just because of the way that I've wired this up. And the screws holding it in are on the back side, so I will have to take off the wheel well liner in order to unscrew this. All right, I've got everything hooked back up. Got my battery hooked back up, my wheel well liner back in. So I'm gonna go ahead and try and start it, and let's see what happens.